And that's what happens.
It's a big shot. Forward pressure. Oh, there's the catch of the kick and the inevitable takedown from Giorgadze. Oh, watch out for the back take, potentially.
And he's Georgian.
Oh, investment into the body.
He's got to stay away from those.
You feel that Luka is definitely the quicker to the punch.
Money in
beautiful
the bank right
boxing.
There. Fantastic body shot. That hook there, that right hook to the body at last. It's not going. It's still sitting there, and it just got added to.
The shot selection, Giorgadze. He's just shelling up right now. He needs to get out of there. He needs to move.
He's got to move those feet. Referee is he's going to stop it soon.
Referee's
this is not an intelligent defense.
Referee's taking a long, hard look. There's the takedown, 100%. And now he's turning it up a little bit now. 20 seconds left in the round.
Jowett was punching.
Beautiful straight right down the middle once again. Oh, he's taking that leg out. I really like Giorgadze. This is a man I want to see fight some more.
From Georgia, Luka!
დიდი ხანია ესეთი ნერვისთან არ მიჩხუბია და მიხარია რომ ესეთი მეტოქე მყავდა. ყველა მეცის რომ დარტყმას კარგად ვიტან და პირველად ვიყავი ესე რომ მართლა შემარყია რა რომ დამარცხა და კარგი იყო. 1-2 ჩხუბიც მინდა ჩემი აზრით და უკვე ვეცდები რომ UFC-ში მოვხვდე. დიდი იმედი მაქვს.